Hi guys, here I am with our E320 Cabriolet, and it's got a broken seatbelt feeder, and it should be a minor job, but you never know with cars. The minor things can turn into a nasty exercise. Anyway, we'll have a go at it. As you can see, the seatbelt feeder arm here is broken, and might as well just chuck that out of the way. They told me that this part just pulls off, and I wonder. And guess what? It does. And so what I do, whoops, is put my new one on. Let's see. Well, there you go. You just push that thing on, and that's that. Now what I've got to do is unbolt the seatbelt down there, down here. I might have to move the seat forward. Here we go. Run the seat forward a bit, and so I can get at it. There we go, that's enough. So I'll just undo this thing. Well, yeah, you just need an 18mm socket there, and there's a spacer, and there's a bolt, and we have to get this plastic cover thing off, and we'll pull it through. Let's see. There's a little retainer plastic thing up here to hold the seatbelt piece in place. Now I've just got to get this head through here so I can get this piece off. Or I could try feeding the lot through up there. Let's see. Yep, that's the way to go. Just feed the whole thing through the arm piece here, and I'll bolt it down the bottom again, and that should be that, hopefully. There we go. There it goes. Whoopee. That's all there is to it. Thank Christ for that. Something easy for a change. Bye.